Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the best products to enhance your daily life. Today, we're excited to showcase what we confidently call the best toothbrush on the market, the Oral-B Deep Clean Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. With innovative technology and superior design, this toothbrush is a game-changer for your oral hygiene routine. The Oral-B combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. It boasts a sleek, modern design that not only looks great in your bathroom but also feels fantastic in your hand. Its lightweight and ergonomic grip ensure that you can maneuver it effortlessly around your mouth, making brushing a comfortable experience. Let's dive into the features that set the Oral-B apart from other electric toothbrushes. First up, it uses advanced cleaning technology that claims to remove 100% more plaque along the gum line compared to manual brushing. This toothbrush isn't just about looks, it's clinically proven to deliver exceptional cleaning results, ensuring that your teeth and gums stay healthier in just 1 week of use. One standout feature of the IO is its unique pressure sensor. It alerts you if you're applying too much pressure while brushing, helping to protect your gums from potential damage. This is particularly beneficial for those who might brush a little too aggressively. The gentle reminders ensure you're applying just the right amount of pressure for an effective yet safe clean. The Oral-B comes equipped with 3 personalized cleaning modes: daily clean, sensitive, and whitening. Whether you need a standard clean, something gentler for sensitive gums, or a boost for those pearly whites, the EO has you covered. Plus, it features a built-in 2-minute timer that breaks your brushing session into 4 30-second intervals. This ensures that you give each quadrant of your mouth the attention it deserves. Another fantastic feature is the IO Light Ring Timer, which lights up to celebrate your successful 2-minute brush. It also alerts you when it's time to replace your brush head, making sure that you always get the best cleaning performance. Oral-B really thought of everything. The IO's lithium-ion battery offers a long-lasting charge, ensuring that you won't be scrambling to recharge it every few days. Just one full charge can last you up to 2 weeks of brushing, making it perfect for travel or those busy weeks when you might forget to plug it in. And speaking of travel, the Oral-B comes with a handy travel case, so you can take your dental care on the go. It's stylish and compact, fitting easily in your luggage while keeping your toothbrush protected. In summary, the Oral-B Deep Clean Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush is packed with features designed to make your brushing routine more effective and enjoyable. From its advanced cleaning technology and pressure sensor to personalized modes and a long-lasting battery, it stands out as the best toothbrush you can buy. So, if you're looking to elevate your oral hygiene, the Oral-B is the way to go. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Happy brushing, and we'll see you next time.